This mower is warm. I was just mowing this area here with it. Mows really well, has a good blade. It is self-propelled. It has electric start with a battery, although the battery's dead. There's a key down here, but it would need a battery or convert it to a 12-volt tool battery like DeWalt, Makita. You can buy those adapters with the 2 wires. I'll see if I can start this while holding the phone here. Got a Tecumseh silver 5-horse electric start. 4-in-1 versatility, mulch, side discharge, rear bag, side bag. I don't have any bags with it, so it's just a side discharge right now. Thank you.